Don't cry, you're gonna make me cry. You okay?
Yeah, you alright?
Yeah, I can't cry. Thank you.
Very nice.
This moment here, I was made for you. Oh my love, you and only you. All the things we'll do.
We are here today to participate in the most joyous of occasions by celebrating one of life's greatest moments, by acknowledging the wedding of Christopher and Grace. Chris, before I ask you to repeat those vows to her, I'm going to read you what Grace wrote here. She said, it may be a cliche, but Chris really is my best friend, my adventure buddy, and also not to mention the best dog dad to our puppy Walt. He allows me to be completely myself and knows exactly how to unlock my inner child, especially on our Disney trips. We already have so many amazing memories, and I cannot wait to make a lifetime more. Why I love Grace? I believe she is my person. We complement each other so well. Grace is so thoughtful and compassionate and constantly puts others before herself. And I like to think that I provide support and help as I remind her that she is just as important and needs time for herself. And I try to make her laugh as often as possible. She brings out the best in me as a person and rubs off in all the right ways, encouraging me to go above and beyond for those close to us, as she so often does. Her love and passion for things is infectious, and you can't help but be drawn in. The Disney parks being the best example, as I would have never pictured myself returning since a child, as I hated theme parks and rides. Yet her excitement to visit pulled me in, and we seem to keep finding our way back ever since.
I, Chris, take you, Grace,
I, Grace, take you, Chris,
to be my wedded wife
to be my wedded husband, to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
in sickness and in health,
in good times and in bad.
in joy or sorrow,
I promise to love, honour and cherish you.
all the days of my life.
The things we'll do. If you got me, oh, and I've got you. And only you. And only you.
Grace, I think it's only right to start off by congratulating you for scoring such a brilliant husband. And I'd like to present you with the Luckiest Girl in the World Award 2023.